In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the cursor in your Wix Studio site. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you have your Wix Studio editor open for the site you want to customize. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the right-hand side of the screen where the inspector panel is located. You'll see a small arrow on the right side of that panel. Go ahead and click on that small arrow. This expands the panel and reveals additional styling and settings options that are sometimes hidden by default. With the inspector panel expanded, look for the option labeled Cursor. It may be grouped together with other design or interaction settings. Click on Cursor to open the cursor customization options. This is where you can control how your mouse pointer looks when visitors move around your site. Next, you'll see an option to add a new cursor design. Click on the button that says something like Add Image or SVG. This tells Wix Studio that instead of using the default browser cursor, you want to use a custom graphic. SVG files and images are both supported here, so you have some flexibility in the type of file you use. Once you click that, you'll be presented with a couple of choices. One option is to use a pre-made cursor offered by Wix. These are ready-to-use designs that are already sized and optimized to work well as cursors. If you're looking for something quick and easy, this is a great place to start. Browse through the available cursor styles, and when you find one you like, select it. The editor will immediately apply it, and you can preview how it looks directly in your site. If you prefer something more unique, you can instead upload your own design. To do that, click on Upload Media. This will open your media upload window, where you can drag and drop your cursor file from your computer, or browse to select it. When creating your own cursor design, try to keep the file simple, clear, and relatively small so it doesn't look pixelated or distracting. After the file finishes uploading, select it from your media library and apply it as your cursor. Once you've chosen either a pre-made cursor or your own uploaded design, preview your site and move the mouse around to make sure it looks and feels the way you want. When you're happy with it, publish your changes so your new cursor goes live for your visitors.